Welcome to Part 4 of Alabama Small-Town Justice, as we continue to explore how Jason Green was wrongfully convicted. Appeals are supposed to be the backstop. If something goes wrong at trial, the higher court is supposed to fix it. But in Jason Green's case, the appeals court didn't fix it. It validated it by creating a new kind of guilt. It's called an irrebuttable presumption of guilt. Let that sink in. Not proven guilt, presumed. Not rebutted by evidence, but irrebuttable by definition. In a system where guilt is supposed to be proven beyond a reasonable doubt, they made guilt automatic after the fact. The appeals court didn't care that the indictment was for murder, didn't care that the theory changed after the close of evidence, didn't care that the defense never addressed reckless manslaughter because it was never presented. They said the facts supported the verdict, even though the verdict had no foundation or grand jury authorization. You can't rebut something you were never allowed to challenge. That's the trick. That's how the system locked the door behind the verdict and threw away the key. They didn't ask whether Jason got a fair trial. They asked whether they could get away with calling it fair. So here we are, Jason Dwayne Green, convicted for a theory never tried. Denied relief by courts that didn't just ignore the facts, they overruled the Constitution. Because once guilt becomes irrebuttable, so does injustice. Episode 5. The State Defends Itself. Next episode, we ask the question Alabama doesn't want to answer. How far will the state go to protect a conviction that is obviously wrongful? Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and comment. Visit the website thishappenedinalabama.com.